Hello everyone. Now we will see and analyze Bank Nifty. As you can see on daily chart, today was a back and forth session in Bank Nifty as shown by a doji candle. If we go to 15-minute chart and see the entire day's action, as you can see, Bank Nifty gapped up and it never looked like the index was gonna go up throughout the session. There was not even a single sizable candle on a 15-minute chart. It was just moving slowly and there was no direction to it. As you can see, this particular level right here, around 31,000, was a strong support level. And at the end of the session, the support level was elevated to 31,160, and that level should hold strong in tomorrow's session as well, and that should also act as a selling zone if you see a decent bearish candle along with the volume at that particular level. If you want to buy in Bank Nifty, I see the zone of 31,000. Let me see, 31,410 or 420 as a decent level. So which means that we can either buy above 31,400 or 31,420, and our target should be high of this strong bearish candle, which is around 31,492. So now we will analyze Nifty 50. As you can see on a daily chart, today was a similar session in Bank Nifty and Nifty. There was a wick on the upper side. If we go to 15-minute chart, you can see that not even a single large sizable candle was there, which was either giving us direction that Nifty is going to go up or going to go down. So here it was trading basically within the level of 14,000 to 13,960, and this level should act as a either buying or selling zone. So if in tomorrow's session you see correction of price below 13,960, we can sell Nifty and our target should be around 31,000. Let me see that correctly. 13,000 here. Let me select the tool here. That should be 13,000. 13,981. So tomorrow could be a really small target in Nifty 50, and if you want to buy, then buy above this particular supply zone, which is above 14 14,000 14,010. So make sure that you note down all this level correctly and always use smaller time frame, specifically 1 minute or 5 minute chart, to gauge whether the direction of the market going to be throughout the session. Now it's time to see four stocks for tomorrow's session. First stock we have in the list is UPL. These two candles are completely in isolation with regards to previous day's candle. If we come to hourly chart, we can draw a trend line up to current market price. And as you can see, support level is currently established around 465 and 464. If in tomorrow's session UPL market price goes above 467 or 468, we can totally see the level of 471 or 472 being challenged. If you go to 15-minute chart here, we can see similar story. There is a trend line or a slanting line we can draw up to current market price. So make sure that you look for that trend line breakout in 5-minute chart. Second stock we have is Tata Consumer Products. If you look at the daily chart carefully, it has been making the pattern of lower lows and lower highs, which is essentially a bearish pattern. But if you look at on the left hand side, you can find four long wick candle which were previously demanding strong supply level, which means price was taking resistance here, and this could become a support for current or tomorrow's price level. If you go to hourly chart and analyze carefully, we can see that at lower level lot of buyers are coming in. Here you can draw or you can see these two candle, and the high of this two candle is almost at the same level, which is above 592. If that materialize, and at the same time we can also draw a trend line, if this two thing goes in our favor, I can see a lot of interest from buyers which can push the price towards 600 as well. So be ready for that. Third stock we have is Dabur. On a daily chart, as you can see, this is a huge bearish candle, and after that, a bullish candle, and after that, in today's session, you saw retracement. This is an ideal case of inside day. As you can see, the volume for today's session was negligible as compared to previous day's session. So in tomorrow's session also, if you take into consideration this long wick candle which was previously at supply zone, now it is going to act as a hindrance for sellers to push the price down, and by this means we can see retracement up to higher level, and that level can go even as high as 540. I'll show you in 15-minute chart as well. See how price is consolidating here. There are two breakouts which are going to happen, which is above the market price of 535, or if it manages to break the support which is below 532. Fourth and final stock we have in the list is Bharti Airtel. Similar pattern that you saw, the case of lower lows and lower highs can be seen on daily chart of Bharti Airtel as well. If we go to hourly chart and do a fine grain analysis, you can see there are a lot of confusion going on right now. You can see multiple long wick candles, uh, multiple candles which have wick on the either side, which means that both buyers and sellers are confused about it. But here there was a gap, and generally when price comes down and fills the gap, it takes support then and there. So in tomorrow's session we can see retracement up to higher levels. So these are the levels which I have come up with for all the aforementioned stocks. As always, make sure that you trail your stop loss, keep all the risk management practices in the place. The practices may differ person to person, but make sure that you do not risk the amount that you cannot lose. Slowly build up the momentum. As you earn more on daily basis or on a weekly basis, you become profitable, then you can scale up your capital, and that slow and steady progression will help you to earn lakhs of money per month through stock market, even only if you maintain discipline. There is no substitute for discipline, and if anyone try to barge their way into earning more money in a short period of time early in their tenure with stock market, then they are going to burn their fingers badly. So make sure that you do not be that person. Thank you for watching.